Welcome to the Facts channel. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we share everything about dogs. Today's topic is all about the Maltese dog. The Maltese dog is a small toy breed that is known for their cute and charming personalities. If you're thinking about getting a Maltese dog or just curious about this breed, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Maltese dogs, from their history, physical appearance, personality, training, and health issues. History of Maltese dogs. The Maltese dog breed has been around for more than 2,000 years. They were first bred in Malta, which is an island in the Mediterranean Sea. Maltese dogs were popular among the royalty and aristocracy in the past. They were also used as lapdogs and for hunting rats on ships. Physical appearance of Maltese dogs. Maltese dogs are small toy breeds that weigh between 4 to 7 pounds. They have a long, silky coat that is white in color. They have a small, compact body with a short, straight tail. They have a rounded head with large, expressive eyes and long ears that hang down. Personality of Maltese dogs. Maltese dogs are known for their friendly and affectionate personalities. They love to be around people and make great lapdogs. They are also playful and enjoy playing games with their owners. Maltese dogs can be good with children but should always be supervised due to their small size. Training Maltese dogs. Maltese dogs are intelligent and eager to please, which makes them easy to train. They respond well to positive reinforcement techniques such as treats, praise, and toys. They can be stubborn at times, so it's important to be patient and consistent in their training. Maltese dogs should be socialized early on to prevent shyness and fearfulness. Health issues of Maltese dogs. Maltese dogs can suffer from various health issues, including dental problems, eye problems, and respiratory issues. They are also prone to developing certain genetic conditions such as luxating patella, which is a knee joint disorder. Regular veterinary checkups and proper care can help prevent or manage these health issues. So that's everything you need to know about Maltese dogs. They are charming, friendly, and make great pets for those who have time to give them the love and attention they need. Remember that they are small and delicate, so they need to be handled with care. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.